welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an egg wrap. You can add anything you want. In this video I add onions, green pepper, or yellow peppers. You can add shredded cheese. You can put American cheese, jalapeno cheese, whatever your heart desires. And you can add bacon, which would be really good. You could like cook bacon and crunch it all up and throw it into the wrap. But I'm going to show you how to make the basic wrap, and you can use your imagination and you can go for it and make your best wrap. Okay, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Bonnie Myers, Crazy Good Food, and ring that bell and I'll send you all my new notifications. So we beat 2 eggs together. Flip that around. And just I try to make it thin. And season it up a little bit. So we put the egg. You flip the egg over. I'm going to put some cheese on it. Onions if you like. And some pepper. You put green pepper, anything you want. Okay. And I'm going to put this on. Put this all over. Beautiful. That look good. Brown it a little bit. And now we're going to roll it like you do. Roll it again. Keep pressing it. You don't want your egg to stick out, you can cut it off. Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous? On a plate.